Be on their mind. Attract a specific person to desire you instantly. Hi everyone, Robert ZINK, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Are you tired of no contact? Are you tired of waiting them to desire you, to pursue you? Would you like to be the center of their universe? Would you like to be on their mind all the time? Well, in this video, you're going to learn how to be on their mind all the time, and they're going to desire you and crave you. You're going to learn how to use the power of your mind to literally imprint a message on their mind, on their energy field, so that they are thinking about you morning, noon, and night. But first, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We've helped people in 60 different countries, and we can help you too. With the law of attraction, the money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend on. lawofattractionsolutions.com. You have the power to send a vibrational message so that you are literally on their mind morning, noon, and night, and they will be contacting you and pursuing you and wanting you. Listen, your time to be together with your specific person isn't some distant place off in the future, maybe someday. It's right now, this very moment, instantly. Your creations are new combinations of already existing materials. That's from the late Dr. Wayne Dyer. In other words, you're learning to think differently. You're learning to attract differently. And by doing that, you can attract your specific person to make you the center of their world and be on their mind all the time. To put it another way, you're shifting the combination of vibrational frequency from no contact to a lot of contact, from sometimes thinking about you to always thinking about you. Maybe interested in you to absolutely desiring you. You see what I'm saying? Whatever it is right now, you can create a whole new combination of reality, a whole new paradigm, and they will place you first in their thinking, and you will be on their mind all the time. So, high flyers, the thoughts and actions that people have about us is in part our beliefs about what they think about us. You get what I'm saying? In other words, if you believe strongly that you are an insatiable desire that they must fulfill, then you will become that in their mind, in their reality. Because as Neville says, everyone is you pushed out. It's absolutely important to believe that you have this power. Why? Because you are co-creator of your reality. To put it simply, you are the center of your own universe. You have the power to be on their mind all the time because that is the frequency that you will be vibrating as you listen to the rest of this video. Remember, we don't see things as they really are. We see things as we are, Change what you are, and you will see a different reality. You absolutely must believe and know and accept that you have the power to transfer the thoughts that make you the most important thought on their mind. So join me now as we send specific, compelling thoughts to your specific person. Remember, before you begin doing this, make certain you're in a safe space, you're sitting down, and that you won't be disturbed. So close your eyes and relax your interior spirit. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Relaxing your interior spirit, relaxing your muscles, relaxing your mind, and allowing yourself to be at peace and totally centered. You're feeling very good. You're feeling calm. You're feeling relaxed. And right now, there is nothing more important in this world than doing this exercise. If you don't have a specific person, visualize the kind of person you would like in your life and see them thinking about you, desiring you, wanting to be near you. Remember to breathe and relax, and know in the center of your center that the thoughts that you are sending your specific person, they are receiving and they are becoming their thoughts. Why? Because they're you pushed out. Now, with your eyes closed and relaxed, see your SP in your mind's eye. Maybe you see them standing before you. Maybe you see them sitting next to you. It really doesn't matter, but see them. See their presence. Feel a vibrational energy emanating from your body and from your energy field, and literally connecting and intertwining with their body and their energy field. The two of you are becoming enjoined. Feel that deep connection. The two of you deeply connected, mind to mind, body to body, soul to soul. Feel the connection. Notice how good it feels, how much you enjoy it. And now repeat these words in your mind and feel the energy leaving you and entering them. I know you're thinking of me, and you deeply want to contact me right now. I know you're thinking of me, and you deeply want to contact me right now. Everywhere you go, everything you see makes you think of me. everywhere you go, and everything you see makes you think of me. I am the one on your mind. I am the one on your mind. You are thinking and feeling how deep your desires go when it comes to me. You are thinking and feeling how deep your desires go when it comes to me. You are magnetically drawn to me. You are magnetically drawn to me. It's almost like you can't help yourself anymore. I am always on your mind. It's almost like you can't help yourself anymore. I am always on your mind. You can't stop thinking about how much you want me. You can't stop thinking about how much you want me. Your thoughts and dreams are filled with me and love and passion. Your thoughts and dreams are filled with me and love and passion. All the distractions of the world and other people are gone. I am on your mind always. All the distractions of the world and other people are gone. I am on your mind always. And now relax and feel confident. You have vibrationally imprinted these thoughts on your specific person's mind and energy field. You are on their mind. They will wake up thinking about you, and you will be the last thought on their mind. This is so easy. This is your new reality. Expect them to call you, pursue you, and want you. And now, take a deep cleansing breath. And on the count of 3, open your eyes, feeling absolutely certain that you are the first and foremost thing on their mind, that they are thinking about you. 1, 2, 3. High flyers, you are master of your reality, and the thoughts you think and believe create your reality. Do this exercise daily, in the morning or in the evening. But it's best to do it for a full lunar cycle, 28 days, for maximum impact. Expect them to want you. Expect to be on their mind all the time. And now, I've set aside another meditation. It's an all-night meditation. I really want you to try it because it will help you with your specific person.